Welcome back to all the viewers, and here I have come up with 9 ideas on how to celebrate Children's Day. Before we move first, don't forget to subscribe my channel I Tutor Arshi. Before beginning with the activities ideas, let's ponder upon why do we celebrate Children's Day? World Children's Day. World Children's Day was established in 1954 as Universal Children's Day. It's celebrated on 20 November each year. To promote international togetherness, awareness among children worldwide and improving children's welfare. Let's talk about the Children's Day in India. Children's Day is celebrated every year on 14th November in India as a tribute to the nation's first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who was born on the day. Nehru's birth anniversary is celebrated as Children's Day in the country as a tribute to his contribution towards building the nation. Let's begin with the activity idea for celebration of Children's Day. The very first idea is watching movies. Utilizing this time to show children some fun and exciting movies, possibly animated if they are fond of cartoons, is a very good idea. Here are some examples of good movies for children. The Jungle Book, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Delhi Safari, Tonpur Ka Superhero, Bum Bum Bole, etc. Second idea is Wall of Fame. The students would love it. Now, if you are teaching the students, you know the qualities as well. And I believe every child has something unique, and it may or not related to studies. Could be in sports, could be in art that the child is possessing, or anything. So the key is you create a wall of fame and write those qualities of the students, and then others guess like who the student is. For example, he is an awesome volleyball player. So others would shout it, it's B. I mean, who is the child is. Second example, she has the longest hair in the class. Or he is an intelligent and a very sincere boy. So like that, you can drop hints and children would guess it. You can have one more slide of children faces to make them feel happy. Our third idea is all about me. Ask each child to write on a piece of paper the details of their likes and dislikes. Pull these papers together and read out the tastes one by one loudly, allowing children to guess which child it might be. It is better to keep the details a little obvious so that it is easier to associate them with each of their personality. The game would foster a bonding between the children in a class. They get to know each other better and would teach them how to respect individual choices. Fourth idea is theme class party. So what you as a teacher can do, you can discuss with your students and let them vote for the theme of class party. A few ideas are mismatched clothing, party dresses, crazy hairstyle, pajama party, 18s, 90s, flashback, etc. You can use the theme of 80s, 90s flashback, so you can choose any theme in this and enjoy with this idea. The fifth idea is sentence stamp. You can have activities for teaching via regular topic or just to relieve the student or have some fun. So sentence stamp are the group of words that you give to students to begin their sentence with, and they cannot change it and are supposed to add something to it. The first part is fixed that you are going to give to them, and then they add what they want to it. They are not going to change the first part. I am giving you some examples. The sentence stamp could be I am a dash child because dash etc. Now they can complete it. Like I am a happy child because I am full of life and I love to play and dance, study and enjoy everything. Or the best thing about childhood is now children can have their own ideas. Sixth idea is dance or Zumba. Yes, moving along the student is the key. If you are having your virtual session, you can play music. They can just have meditation on the instrumental music, or if you could do dance yourself, or if you are fond of dancing along with children, you can keep simple dance session or Zumba, as you want children would love the class full of music and movement. Our seventh idea is baby picture. Now, what is this? You as a teacher can ask a student email or WhatsApp you their childhood picture individually. That means without showing to others. And then in class you keep it open to them to guess who is who. Yes, who is who. Other students have to guess it and give answers. Our eighth idea is the face chart. Yes, something like Demchrat. A bit different through. So in it the teacher will give us sentences to the students, but they don't have to speak anything. They would just express it through a expression, or you can add actions if you want. The turn will be given to students one by one. The teacher will give a sentence to be completed. The player, no use of words, completing of sentences by giving the face expression. Or you may add actions. Remaining participants guess and complete the sentence. Coming to the last idea. Role play your role model. So it's not fake. Children role model could be anyone. So children will portray the character of the person who is their role model. They may wear costumes, make hairstyle, put on makeup, use props, etc. and then speak a few lines about the person they are playing. The role of could be their mother, father, their teacher, any of the doctor, any family friends, celebrity, any political leader, that could be anyone. So the well dress up like that and they will speak a few lines like why that person is their role model and what qualities in that person they admire. I hope you like this video and these ideas celebrating Children's Day. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. God bless you all.